Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is week number 2 for Vita, which is every day in April. And this week, what I'm going to do is take this look and totally deconstruct it so you can see each step in really bite-sized bite-sized pieces of how you can approach this. So if you need just one little piece, you can go straight to that and see how it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check it out. Thank you so much. Okay, so today's video, we are week number 2. We're going to break down the face and we are going to start with brows. So I know I've gotten a lot of good feedback about my background in my office. Thank you so much, but I'm in my bathroom because I need the mirror, and with the mirror I can see what I'm doing. So I like to use Anastasia Beverly Hills for my personal kit, and I'm going to just flip open this little mirror so I can get close to you guys and see what I'm doing. Now, the secret to having beautiful brows, it shouldn't be a secret, but it's not makeup. It's having professionally groomed brows. So have a good base, and then when you have a good base, you can just enhance your natural beauty with the makeup. I got my eyebrows started about 2 weeks ago. So in the front of the brows, you want to kind of brush them up, and then towards the tail, you want to kind of brush them around like that. So up in the front and then around like that. And since my brows have they've got a good shape already, I'm not creating a shape. So all I'm going to do is just kind of highlight the outline. And one thing I learned from my makeup mentor is it's okay to go back and forth, especially in the front. I hate when someone has a harsh 90-degree angle in the front because that's not how brows look naturally. So I don't do that on myself, and I don't do that on others. And then you come in with your spoolie or your eyebrow brush and just kind of blend it in. There you go. Now, just to give it a little more definition, I am going to go through with my dip brow pomade and my eyebrow brush. We're just going to enhance that tail just a little bit. Okay, so if you want to add just a little extra pizzazz with your brow, you want to add just a little lift at that corner. So what I like to do is that, and where your natural upper arch is there, that's where you want to put it. And ladies, this does take some practice. So if it takes you a couple of tries before you get it, don't be discouraged. But do you see the difference from one brow to the other? And I'm not gonna lie, you know I get nervous. I get nervous when I do the videos, I get nervous when I do makeup, and I sweat a lot. So I am currently nervous and I'm currently sweating. Please disregard, you've seen this in other videos before. We're gonna do the same thing over here. There we go. Stay tuned to my next video that will be coming out tomorrow where I will be showing off eyes.